Meaning of girdle.
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 Girdle. The word girdle can have a few different meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it typically refers to a belt or strap worn around the waist. This could be a fashion accessory or a functional part of clothing. As a verb, it means to encircle or surround something or someone. This could be in a physical sense, such as with a girdle of trees around a clearing, or in a metaphorical sense, such as with a sense of protection or support surrounding a person or group. Overall, whether used as a noun or verb, girdle signifies some type of encircling or wrapping around.